Hello everybody, in this video I will be showing you how you can make this water boat game in Scratch. So this game is all about a boat that follows the mouse pointer, and whenever you touch the red part then you get a hit, and if you touch the white part then it speeds up, and then if you touch the yellow part then you go on to the next level. Let me show you how. And there you go, now it's in the next level. So now as you go to the next level there will be some obstacles, like in this in level 2 I have made this spinning obstacle, and if you touch the obstacle you die. So let me just try to complete this level. And oh my gosh, no, I died again, but that doesn't matter because I'm never gonna end this game. It's so hard. So anyways, let's get started and make the game. Yep, leave. So now I have the Scratch 3 online editor. You can use your offline editor. So now let's just change the name of our project, water boat game. Yep, water boat game. And let me just delete Scratch Cap. And then today I will be uploading a new sprite. I've already downloaded the sprite, so I'll import that. I will send the link to you on how to download this image in the description, so make sure to check that out. And let me just call this ship, and let me go here and then call this good ship, cause we are gonna make a broken ship. So let's just duplicate this and let's just call this broken ship, and then let's delete the rest. And now making the broken ship is very easy. You just convert to bitmap. If you ever upload a sprite from your computer, it always converts to bitmap. And using this tool, which is the select tool, you can just select one part and take that out, and then you can change its direction like that. Just break everything. Breaking is so simple, guys. And then boom, and there is my broken ship, and there is my good ship. So my good ship and the broken ship are set. Now my ship is a bit big, so let's just set its size to 15. Yeah, 15. So now let's go on and code the ship. So let's just say when the green flag is clicked, forever, go to motions, take the point towards mouse pointer and move one step. And at the start of the game you have to point in direction 0, that is the up direction, and you have to go to this position. So now you can move around. So now let's go on and make our obstacles. So I'm just gonna go to backdrops, convert to bitmap, use the fill tool and take any shade of blue. I'm gonna take this shade. You can take any shade you wanted to. And then I'm gonna use the brush tool to make the obstacles. So this one, a brown obstacle, and then I'm just gonna set its size to 65. And then the first one should be a bit easy, so let's just make some lines like this, and like this. So now there is our first level. Let's just call this 1. And then we also have to make something that if we touch this color, then we have to go on to the next level. So I'm just gonna take a yellow color, and then then make a small land type of thing. Okay, maybe that's a bit big, so I'll just make that a bit smaller. Yeah. So now I have my obstacles and my land. So now let's just say forever if it's touching the color, the brown color, then you have to say no and no for 1 second or 1.5 seconds. Then we can switch our costume to the broken ship. Actually, what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna take all of these scripts and put that in some other side, and then go to events and say when the green flag is clicked, you broadcast a new message called, let's just call this broadcast reset. So now we have our reset. Now let's just say when I receive reset, then it moves around. So now let's just say if touching color, the brown color, then we say no for 1 second and switch costume to the broken ship. Let's try that out. No. Yeah, that's a bit slow. And then also let's just say broadcast reset, so that it goes back to that position. Okay, so we don't want that to happen, and when the green flag is clicked, or else when I receive reset, you switch the costume to good ship, and then you go here, and then boom, then it resets back again. So hit yes. So now we have to make something change to the next level. So let's make a variable. I'll just delete my variable and then make a variable called level for all sprites. Click OK, and then say when the green flag is clicked, set the level to 1. And when I receive reset, let's just say if and then if touching color, the yellow color, which is the land, if touching color yellow, then we can broadcast a new message called next level. Next level. And also say when I receive next level, change levels by 1. So now if you go, I'm just gonna keep my sprite over there so that I don't waste my time. Just keep that over there, and then it just broadcasts next level, and it changes the level constantly, like it's changing the level every time. So let's just say if it's touching the color, then you say yay for 2 seconds. Yay, yay, and then for 1 second actually, and then broadcast next level. Yeah. And then also when I receive next level, you go to this same position as you go when you receive reset. So let me just duplicate that block and put that right there. So now if you see, you can say yay and it goes back to the starting position. So now let's make our next level. Let's just try, see whether our level changes to 2. And yeah, it changes its level to 2. So now let's make our next level. So I'll just duplicate that, fill all of these things with blue, and then do this and that. It is very important to have the same color for the obstacles, or else you'll end up having you'll end up not having this system, the losing system, because if the code in this color, if the color in this code is different and the color in your backdrop is different, then it won't work. So it's very important to have the same color for the obstacles. So now let's make our obstacle like this, make something like this, and then this like that. Okay, there's a small gap in there, so it'll be tough for the people to go there. So let's just make something like this, like this, like this, and then we'll make another line over here. Let me just zoom in now. Yep. And now we are gonna make a sprite which just rotates around at level 2. So to do that, actually we need to do one more thing in the backdrops. Say when the green flag is clicked, forever switch the backdrop to go to variables and take the level. What this does is that it changes your backdrop to what the level is. So now if you click start, your level changes to 1, and if you touch this, your level changes to 2. So that's the use of this code right here. So let's just paint a new sprite. I'll just have a rectangle like this, and then right there. So we'll make it go here, spin around. So let's just say when the green flag is clicked, forever, if, go to operators, take the equal to block, and then say if levels equal 2, then you show. Yep, then you show, and then you turn clockwise or counterclockwise 2 degrees. And then let's take another if statement stating that if the level is not equal to 2, then you hide. So if level is not equal to 2, then hide. So let's try that out. At the first level it doesn't show, and then at the second level it shows and it spins around. So now it's a bit boring that we are moving at the same speed again and again and again. So what we'll do is that we go to our ship, say forever, point towards mouse pointer and move level steps, so that since the levels increase by 1, the steps will also increase by 1. So now as you see, it's going a bit faster. So now there's also one problem, that if it's like so near to the mouse pointer, it does this weird movement. I don't know what is that, but it does this weird movement, and we don't want that to happen. So let's just say forever, take another if statement, go to operators, take the actually it should not be like that. It should say forever. There should be an if statement in here, and then say if, go to operators and take the greater than block and go to sensing, say if the distance to mouse pointer is greater than 5, then you do all these blocks, and then you run these blocks, or else you don't do it. So now let's try that out. So now it just stops, which is good. So yay. So that's a good news for us right over there. Now our game is coming together. Let me just slowly go there. And then, no, you died. I mean, I died. So now that we have made all of these blocks and the movement for the ship, let's just make some more levels, shall we? Let me just duplicate this, and this level is gonna be a bit different. So I'm just gonna fill the whole screen with brown, that is the color for the obstacles, and do this, and then I'm gonna make a big way. Let me just set that to 100, and a big blue way for the ship to go. Oh my gosh, you do that and that. Yay! Now we have the ship. But one thing I have noticed is that it starts from here. So it will die directly. So let's just add some more blue in here. Yep. So let me just skip these levels. Skip them, skip them, skip them, skip them. And then level 3 is the fun part. And then now we have done our 3 levels. Now the time have come to do the 4th level. So we are just gonna go to backdrops, this one, paint a backdrop, not paint, I'm gonna duplicate this one. I'm gonna duplicate this one, and then I'm just gonna do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. Just paint everything nicely, and then now you use the icon, what should I say, the color picker tool to pick the color of the obstacle. And now you make a thing like this, something like this. And this level is gonna be a bit different. I'm gonna show you how. So we'll just duplicate sprite 1 and then go in here and then make it straight, like a straight block. Let me just show that. And it's not that straight, so straighten it a bit more. Yup, that's straight. And let's just make him point in direction 90 so that it's like so straight. So this one is gonna be like, if level equals 4, then show, if not, hide. So what is this gonna do? Well, this is gonna be like this. It's gonna come in here, go up, down, go up, down, up, down, up, down, it's gonna do that. So now let's just say first we wanted it to go to here, and then wait a second, and then go to there. So one easy thing to do is that if you recognize, if you see that if you change the sprite to a place, the go-to block also changes to that X coordinate and the Y coordinates. Well, that's a good thing Scratch has made, and I gotta appreciate it. So it goes in here and then waits another second and go back here. So I'm just gonna duplicate this and boom. So now it's gonna do this, and actually it's not when green flag is clicked, when I receive reset. Let me just change that one also. Say when I receive reset. And now let's try that out. Now I have to go all the way to level 3 and then go to 4. So I'm just gonna directly say set level to 4 at the start. So this is what it's gonna do. It's gonna go up and down, up, down, and then you go fast as you can, and then you reach here. And then level 5. Level 5 is actually the starting level, so I think I'm gonna stop with level 4, and the last backdrop will be like a you win screen. So let's do that and that. Use the text tool, change it to black, have a curly style or whatever style you like, and then say you, why is that not working? Yep, say you win. Yep, and then put that right in the center. And this didn't hide, so let's just say if the level equals 5, then hide. Boom. So let me just set that level back to 4 just to check that whether the you win screen works. It goes up, down, go 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 fast, and then yay, and you win. After you get you win, you have to stop the script. So go to here, if level 5, then you wait 0.5 seconds so that you give it some time to hide, and then you stop all. So let's try that out, and then go here, go there, stop, go, and then yay, and then you win. Then it stops the whole game. So now that we have completed the game, we will make a timer. So let's just make the timer by creating a variable called timer. Let me just set the readout to the large readout, and then yeah, and then let's just say let's do that in the backdrops actually. Say when I receive reset, set the timer to the timer, and when the green flag is clicked, you reset your timer. So now, okay, so the timer doesn't work. Okay, so let's just make it go back to level 1. and the timer doesn't work. But why is that so? What if I set the timer to round timer? Okay, let me just show the timer. Yeah, and then it should reset the timer. So when the green flag clicked, it resets the timer. Oh, I can make this go in a large readout. Then it... Oh yeah, I should keep that in the forever loop, so that it just keeps on having that timer. So when I receive reset, forever set the timer to timer. Now it works properly. Oh, take that out. And now this sprite is showing. So let's just say if level is equal to 5, then hide. So we have said that. So let's take another OR statement and then say if level is not equal to 4 or the level equals 5, then you hide the whole thing. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it stops everything. It stops everything. So let's just take out this stop all and then say when I receive reset, forever if is equal to, I'm gonna do that quickly, 5, then stop all. Where's the stop all? Where's the stop all? Where is the stop all? Give me the stop all. And also the wait. Why am I opening this every time? 0.5, and now our timer works. So now we want the timer to show at the screen where you say this, you win, and then say you just add another text. You say you took, and then something like that, then increase the size, decrease a bit, yep, decrease it a bit, yep, and then come in here. Can I make the variable bigger? No, I can't. Okay, fine, it's okay. So now, yeah, it stops all. So now let's try that out by having level 4 at the start. So, whoa. Okay, we want that to hide first. We want to hide the variable timer first. And then if level equals 5, you show the variable timer. And so now you wait, and then you go. And then, yay. And then it tells you how many seconds it took you. So that's it, guys. Our game is now completed. You can add many levels, and that's it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Lil Scratches. Until that, see ya, goodbye. I will be making another video. You remember that I have made the part 1 in the Endless Runner, and I will be making the part 2 pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. See ya, goodbye.